Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode we're going through how to program a replacement transfer case control module in a Holden RG Colorado. So first off, click the vehicle button and go to the TCCM tile. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module or show the licensing screen if you haven't licensed already. Once loaded in, the first thing we're going to go do is click on the flashing tab. We're going to make sure we have a battery maintainer fitted, and once we do, we'll click the right button. This will then begin downloading the required files to suit that module in that vehicle. Once they're downloaded, it will then begin the flashing sequence. The flashing for this is very quick for a calibration only write, which is what this will show. That's it now completed, it's now flashed. It's just doing its finalization flash routine. This takes a few moments to complete, and once it's done, we'll get a little pop-up indicating that it's completed. And there it is, that's now finished. Finally, we're going to click OK and head up to the Learn Functions tab. And we're going to do our final action, which is the VIN secure link, which is going to program the vehicle VIN into this module. That's now done, and finally we can go and then clear any pending faults that are left over. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, otherwise we'll see you next time.